AIDS, influenzas, Ebola, Nipah, SARS, West Nile fever, and the COVID 19. All these diseases have struck the human civilization in the last century, and specifically in the last few years, the occurrence have picked up even greater pace. But the question arises, is this just a matter of chance or it is bad luck for us? If you buy the answer as yes, then congratulations, you are eligible to live in the medieval ages. But for those who are more curious, we should try to investigate more. To answer the question why all these infections are coming up rapidly, we need to check whether they have any similarity. And strikingly, the answer is yes. All these are zoonotic diseases. Zoonotic diseases are those which can jump from animals to humans and vice versa. In fact, 60 to 70% of human infectious diseases are zoonotic in nature. Everything has to come from somewhere, and it has been found out that the wild animals act as a reservoir host for a huge number of viruses. These viruses do not kill these animals, as if viruses are too successful in killing, they would run out of host and would end up killing themselves. These viruses always try to infect new hosts, but for most of the times they are not successful. For example, a virus adapted to the fish body when enters into the lungs of a human, it would feel like it had landed on an entirely different planet and it will die. But the viruses multiply in huge numbers, and they are not so perfect in the process of multiplication and end up doing a lot of errors, causing huge number of mutations. Again, for most of the cases, these mutations are useless and can cause no harms to other organisms. But every once in a while, these viruses may hit the mutation jackpot and achieve the ability to infect a new host. The closer the two hosts physiologically, more are the chances of occurring of such mutation jackpots. Viruses are moving freely in the wild and are confined to these small pockets. There may be a virus in the Royal Bengal tiger in Sundarbans that can easily infect a kangaroo in Australia, but it is highly unlikely that these animals would ever meet or come in contact with each other for the virus to spread. Whereas we humans are everywhere and we are in contact with most of the living beings in this planet. We humans tend to think that we are very different from the wild, but Darwin proved that we are also animals, and therefore we are the biggest target and might be the dream host of every virus that want to be famous. We humans are so much connected that a man getting a virus in Africa or China or corner of India can spread it in all over the world in less than a month. Actually, it is us who are the culprit. We have made ourselves vulnerable to such diseases due to our huge reach, a large population, and also global connectivity. Trains and aeroplanes have given legs and wings to the viruses, which were previously immobile. We are giving the viruses better connectivity than most of our telecom network service providers, and therefore the occurrence of such viral pandemics is not stopping anytime soon. It is high time we should be very much careful about our contact with the wild animals. We should be careful about what we eat and where we go. It is now or never, otherwise we will head into a future ruled by the microbes. The video idea is taken from the book called Spillover: Animal Infection and the Next Pandemic, written by David Quammen. Namaskar. Thank you for being with us till the end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. This is Arindam Deb signing off from the Organic Thoughts.